How to register phone in VOS3000. Go to Account Management, then click on Filter. Then select Account ID where you want to register phone. Then click on Number of Phone and then click on Add. Write phone number and then click on Display Caller ID and Write Display, then click on Apply. Now, change authorization type to International and then click on Apply. Then scroll right and go to Line Limit. Then set line limit to 4. Then click on Apply. Then scroll left and then go to Account Management and click on Filter. Select Number of Phone button and then go to iBeam and then go to Settings. Now click on Enable this SIP account. Then go to Account Testo Phone Management and copy phone number and password. Follow the same process showing in display. Right here, Domain. Click on Apply and OK. This is your number. Note, you can also change display name as you need. Then click Apply and OK. This is your number. Click on Apply button and then go to Online Phone and then click on Filter. Click on Device ID. You can see your phone is registered